Hey teachers! Want to level up your AP CSP course and keep your students engaged and excited about coding? Preparing students for the Create performance task while keeping them interested can be a real challenge. Our education specialist, Jill Jones, knows exactly what that's like. She's been deeply involved with AP CSP since the very beginning, teaching it since the course first launched in 2016. And she's been an AP CSP reader, grading real exams every year since 2018. Using her first-hand experience, Jill helped create Firia Lab's AP CSP resources, designed to make teaching simpler and learning way more engaging. With Firia Labs, your students can learn Python programming with Codex, a handheld platform, or they can get hands-on with CodeBot, our programmable robot. Our pacing guides map everything out for you: core programming concepts, fun remix projects, and practice for the Create performance task, all packed into easy-to-teach lessons. By the time they start the Create performance task, your students won't just be ready, they'll be confident. Ready to transform your AP CSP course? Head to the link in our bio or description to learn more. And as always, happy coding!